Hi, today we're here with board-certified refractive surgeon Dr. Khanna. We're talking about SMILE laser vision. And Dr. Khanna, what is SMILE?
SMILE is the latest technology to make your vision better and get rid of your nearsightedness, astigmatism, and those pesky glasses and contact lenses. It is an acronym. SMILE is an acronym for Small Incision Lenticular Extraction. What it means is, inside the cornea, the femtosecond laser carves out a small disc, very thin disc of tissue, which is taken out through a small opening. And since the tissue is removed, the refractive power of the cornea is decreased and person can see better quickly.
Who's a good candidate for SMILE?
So the basic tenets of LASIK do apply with SMILE. Like, person has to be above 18 years of age, refraction should be stable. That means your prescription should not have changed more than half a diopter between the previous visit. So what we like to see is put every year's prescription and see if there's a trend of constant change or just a fluctuation. Fluctuation is fine. But also other contraindications are if you're taking medicine Accutane for acne, have any systemic uncontrolled disease like autoimmune disease or even diabetes, and any eye inflammation. But the good point is, even if you're not a candidate for LASIK, let's say you have dry eyes, SMILE could still be done. If you're into contact sports, LASIK cannot be done, but SMILE can be done.
Is SMILE a safe procedure?
That's what got us so excited and enthusiastic about SMILE. It's one of the safest eye surgeries we've ever done. It leads to quick recovery because there is no flap, there's no chance of debris going inside or cells growing in the interface.
Is it painless?
That's the magic word we like to hear, painless. Yes, LASIK is painful because in LASIK we have to hold the cornea and flatten it so that the flap can be made. But with the new technology of VisuMax, which we are using as the only FDA-approved laser for SMILE laser eye surgery, we don't have to hold the eye. The cornea is juxtaposition to the patient interface from the VisuMax laser, and in a matter of 30 seconds, that's it, 30 seconds, the whole laser has done its beautiful carving. And the best part is, even if you're the higher myope, like -9, it only takes 30 seconds. So because the disc thickness is being varied, but the laser time remains the same. Unlike LASIK, where for higher prescriptions, more time is required.
Well, speaking of LASIK, since LASIK's been around a long time, what is the difference between LASIK and SMILE?
So SMILE is much more better than LASIK for the following 5 points. 1, in LASIK, we lift a flap. And when you lift a flap, then you're worried that its flap might slip. In SMILE, no flap, just a small opening to take out the tissue. When you lift the flap, besides being worried about movement and all, the interface is open during the treatment. So that means any debris in the air or even from the wax cell can find their way in the interface. Or when we put the flap on the lashes or the speculum, it can pick up oily secretions which can, when you put it back, can go into the interface. SMILE avoids that. Then thirdly, in LASIK, because the flap can move, you cannot do it in certain people who are like playing contact sports like wrestling, boxing, or doing competitive surfing, whereas in SMILE that's not an issue. Fourth, LASIK causes dry eyes. Everybody, I think, knows that, whoever knows about LASIK, because it transects the corneal nerves. And in SMILE, We don't do that because the tissue is removed from deeper layers of the cornea, which are less dense and don't have so many corneal nerves. So we preserve the interface from the corneal nerve damage. The fifth point, in LASIK, you have to use two lasers. So patient has to move between one laser and second laser. In a SMILE, only one laser is used. So even the time you're in for the surgery is less, and less maintenance on lasers.
Okay, what's the difference between SMILE and PRK?
SMILE is God-sent answer for people who hated PRK, because PRK, you remove the top layer, and as it heals back, that causes a lot of pain. And even in super LASIK, which became very popular in our hands, there is delay in getting the final vision. So both PRK and super LASIK have pain associated with them, and the final vision might take days to even sometimes weeks. Whereas SMILE, it's pretty quick. By next day you're 20/20 or within a 2-3 days.
How quick is the procedure?
Only 30 seconds. And the best news is it's going to get faster and faster.
And the most important part, what's the cost? Is there any warranty?
At Khanna Vision Institute, we are very proud that we've got the best technology, the greatest support staff, and meticulous eye towards sterilization. And wait, highly experienced, passionate surgeon who wants to help you see better. So Khanna Vision Institute offers zero down, zero interest, monthly affordable payments, and you can pay over 24 months. And yes, because we are so confident about what we are bringing to the table, we give you a lifetime warranty.
Thank you, Dr. Khanna, for joining us today. We appreciate it. We look forward to learning more about SMILE.
It's been a pleasure, and we are looking to spread smiles through SMILE eye surgery. Call us at 1-805-230-2126 to book your free SMILE laser eye surgery consult.